do you know how to find the area of a triangle? What's the formula for area of a triangle? Are we okay with using 1/2 times base times height? Everybody okay with that guy? So the deal is that that's if you have a right triangle, correct? But we're investigating. That's what this whole unit is about. Is like, what if we don't have a right triangle? And so if you label these sides, what side is this right here? This is B. What side is this? C. And what side is this? A. So right now, if you were to write the formula, you would say area is equal to 1/2 times, which letter is the base here? A times the height. And we don't see the height, so I'm gonna drop a, a perpendicular line here, and we'll call that H. But part of what we talked about during the other days, you're rarely given H, right? I mean, they wouldn't just give you H with this triangle, so we want to get rid of H. So this is the only thing you need to be able to see, and it works out super cool. Can anybody here think of a trig function that deals with these three things right there? Sine, cosine, or tangent? If I'm looking at angle C, is H the opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? Opposite. Is B the opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? Hypotenuse. So we have opposite and hypotenuse, so that means sine. Sine of C. JGL, sine of C is what? H over B. Okay, Morgan, I have angle C. Is H the opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse? It's the opposite. And we said that B is the hypotenuse. So you can see sine is opposite over hypotenuse, H over B. Good. So I'm going to solve for H. In order to solve for H, I have to multiply both sides by what? B. So I get B sine of C is equal to H. Yeah, there is, but we're actually done. The proof is, we got one more step. The proof is done. If I know that this is H, what can I do with this thing? Where can I put it? Right there. A times B times the sine of C. That's it. Yeah, that's a proof right there. We just proved what the area of a triangle is. Now, this is super useful. If you just take out your worksheet from yesterday, okay? Take out your worksheet from yesterday. I told you to take it out earlier. We got a couple things here, and this is just going to lead you into what you're going to do for the day. We're going to actually apply our learnings here to this piece. If you look at problem number 1, we had a triangle, and it was ABC. What? So I'm not going to actually do the problem. I'm just putting the answer up there. Yep. You're going to have to do it on your own. Don't use naughty words, even if you're doing it to Gavin. So we have A, B, and C. We had side A was 20. We found that B was 23.31. And side C was 25.60. So problem number 1 on the homework from yesterday, we solved the triangle, and this is what we came up with. Okay? So this is what I'm teaching you today. In order to be able to find area, this is all we do. It's super straightforward. Look at this example right here. It says 1/2 AB sine of C. look at where those sit. We have A, we have B, and we have sine of C. If you do 1/2 times one side times the other side times the sine of the included angle, you find the area. Three groups. Group 1, you ready? You guys are going to do the green one. You're going to take 1/2 times 23.31 times 25.60 times the sine of 48. Again, it's 1/2 times A, B, sine of C. Don't think of A and B and C necessarily. It's just two sides times the sine of the included angle. See what you get. This group in the middle here, I want you guys to do the blue one. Take 1/2 times 20 times 25.60 times the sine of 60 and see what you get. And this group over here, you guys do the red. Take 1/2 times 23.31 times 20 times the sine of 72 and see what you get. When you get an answer, compare it with somebody. Make sure you come out with the same. Go. Okay, folks, so here's how you do it, okay? Let's check them all, okay? Watch the green here. I got 0.5 times 23.31 times 25.60 times the sine of 48. The whole idea, folks, and the way you make it easy is use two sides and sine of the included angle. Multiply it, you get 221.73. If we check out the red, were you guys red or blue? Blue. If we do 0.5 times 25.60 times 20 times the sine of 60, again, you get 221 point, here we get 70, so we're off by just a little bit. Did I mess it up? And you guys, and that just has everything to do with how we rounded the sides. And then the last one, I do 0.5 times 20 times 23.31 times the sine of 72. And I get 221.7. So here's the deal, folks. All you have to do is just choose two sides and an included angle. That's it. So here's what I want you to do, okay? I will, should we put 3 up there as well? Okay, let's try it one more time, and then we'll break, and you can work on it then. Because all you're going to do is take the 6 problems you did yesterday, and you're just then going to find the area of them. That's it. It's the same worksheet. You're just going to find the area. We're doing 2 together, so you can have 4 to do on your own. That's it. Yep, here's number 3. I have A, B, C. Sure. I got 100 degrees. I got 50 degrees. And I got 30 degrees. Side C is 20. You should have side A is 30.64. And you should have side B is 39.39. Hey guys, I'm not going to tell you now. Everybody, you just simply do this. You pick 2 sides and the included angle. So it's just 1/2 times one side times another side times the sine of whatever angle sits between those 2 sides. That's all you do. So I don't care which ones you pick. You just need 2 sides and sine of the included angle. Go, see what you come up with. Did you come up with about 301.75? That's it, folks. That's all you're looking at, okay? All right? So what is your assignment? You were given how many problems to do yesterday? A total of 6. You got to do 1 through 6. What you want to do now is also find the area of those 6. The answer key is up here. You can check area at the bottom. That's all I have for you.